Hello, welcome to RestoCycle. It's Mini Tip Thursday, brought to you by Ozzy Osbourne. This is the right side footrest plate on this '79 CBX, and this is just all too typical. This little device, we call that the brake spindle. That's what actuates the brake lever and also catches onto the spring that activates the brake light. But what you'll see, if I bring my handsome assistant over here to grab it from the rear and rotate it. Handsome assistant, would you rotate that? So you'll see that this thing is like chewy, grindy, horrible. And if we press it out some, handsome assistant, you'll see why. These things never get greased, and this really screws up your rear braking feel. And of course that makes us do things like lock up our brakes and crash motorcycles. So I'm not saying this crashes motorcycle, but I'm saying that this is something that you really got to take apart on these CBXs and all these Honda CBXs. These things don't get lubed, and you lose a lot of feel and activity on your brake as a result. Okay, there you have it. Have a great day.